Stride School of Business is providing next generation BBA program where AI, business and real world projects are combined to prepare students for their future. Today in this video, I will be explaining you all how you can register for Stride School of Business. So let's get started. Open your browser and type strideschool.ai. Once you land on the home page, you will see the Apply Now button. Click on to the Apply Now button. Now you will reach the registration page where you need to fill in your basic details like your name, your email ID, enter your mobile number, and from your registered mobile number you will receive an OTP, and then you need to select your state, select your city, and then select your preferred campus. We have three options: Delhi NCR, Bangalore, Jaipur. Adding to this information, Delhi NCR and Bangalore are AICTE approved campus, whereas Jaipur is UGC approved campus. After filling all the details, you need to press the register button. After completing your registration, return to the home page and open your main dashboard. So you will land to the main dashboard page, and before starting your application form, if you have any doubt related to Stride School of Business, you will find videos related to Stride School of Business. You can watch it. Okay, so this is where you will start with your application form. Before that, if you have any queries, any doubt related to this application form, click on to instruction. Here you will get each and every step about application form. So moving forward, you need to click on to Apply Now button. So this will be your first step of your application form where you need to fill in your personal details, and after that, filling all the details, you need to click on to application fee button. Once you are done filling your all the personal details, now you will land up to this payment gateway page. After this, you need to click on to Pay Now button. So we have options. You can scan the QR code, you can pay by UPI ID, you can do it by net banking, or you can pay by card as well. Once you are done with your payment, now you need to click on to Continue to Form. So now moving forward to next step of your application form is academic details. You need to start with your 10th class details, your school name, board, year of passing out from class 10th, your CGPA or percentage, and your score. Moving forward to current academic status, if you have completed your class 12th and your results are out, you need to select completed class 12th, and if you are waiting for your result, you need to select currently in class 12th. Okay, then you need to select your stream, which stream you had in your class 11th and 12th, and now you need to fill your basic class 12th details like your school name, your board, year of passing out, your percentage or CGPA, and your score. After filling all your academic details, you need to press on to Next button. Next step of your application form is AI readiness. In this section, we just want to know how comfortable you are with AI. So after filling all the options over here, you need to press on to Next button. So let's move on to fourth step of your application form, which is personal and family details. After filling all the details, now you need to press on to Next button. Now coming up to the fifth step of your application form is documentation. Choose your government ID, whether it is Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, any one of it. Moving forward, passport size photo, academic documents, your 10th class mark sheet, your 12th class mark sheet. Now coming up to additional documents which are optional, but if you have any one of it, be it entrance exam scorecard or Olympiad competition certificate, you can upload them because this may strengthen your profile and may help you to get the scholarship. After filling all the details, now you need to click on to Next button. So this is your last and final step of your application form, where you need to select the slot for upcoming SBAT exam, which is date and time, and then after filling the details you need to submit. So now you have completed your application form. Now you need to click on to back to dashboard button. So all the best for your SBAT exam. See you at Stride School of Business.